Digital transformation, redefining the way we work, live, and interact. Digital transformation is a profound integration of digital technology into all areas of business, government, and everyday life. It fundamentally changes how organizations operate, deliver value to customers, and adapt to changing market conditions. More than just adopting new tools or platforms, digital transformation involves a cultural shift, encouraging innovation, data-driven decision-making, and continuous evolution. Core aspects of digital transformation: technology integration, cloud computing, artificial intelligence AI, big data analytics, the Internet of Things IoT, and 5G are just a few of the technologies driving digital transformation. These tools allow organizations to streamline operations, automate processes, and enhance user experiences. Customer-centric focus. Today's consumers demand seamless, personalized, and real-time services. Digital transformation enables organizations to better understand and serve their customers through data collection, analytics, and AI-driven insights. Operational efficiency. From automating repetitive tasks to optimizing supply chains, digital tools help organizations reduce costs, increase productivity, and respond faster to market demands. Workforce empowerment. Digital transformation also redefines the workplace. Remote collaboration tools, virtual workspaces, and digital upskilling are reshaping employee roles and engagement, fostering agility and resilience. Business model innovation. New digital capabilities often lead to entirely new business models. Subscription services, digital platforms, and e-commerce ecosystems are examples of how companies adapt and create new revenue streams. Key drivers of digital transformation. Changing customer expectations. Consumers expect faster, more personalized, and mobile-friendly services. Technological advancements. Innovations in AI, cloud, IoT, and blockchain are enabling new capabilities and efficiencies. Global competition. Businesses must innovate to stay competitive in a global, digital-first economy. Crisis response. Events like the COVID-19 pandemic accelerated digital adoption across all sectors, from remote work to online education and telehealth. Sectors experiencing digital transformation. Retail, e-commerce platforms, digital payments, and personalized marketing are reshaping the shopping experience. Healthcare, telemedicine, electronic health records, and AI diagnostics are improving care delivery. Finance. Fintech innovations like mobile banking, blockchain, and robo-advisors are disrupting traditional finance. Manufacturing. Smart factories powered by IoT, robotics, and predictive maintenance are leading Industry 4.0. Education. Digital classrooms, e-learning platforms, and virtual labs are making education more accessible and interactive. Challenges of digital transformation. While the benefits are substantial, challenges remain. High implementation costs, cybersecurity risks, resistance to change, skills gaps in the workforce, data privacy and regulation compliance. Successful transformation requires clear strategy, leadership commitment, employee engagement, and continuous adaptation.